Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world, the world of Wayne, and as promised we've now got the workstation from the folks over at Model Designs. Now I implore you, check out the Model Designs website because it's not just workstations. You've got the racks that you see behind me. They do bespoke solutions for all model builders out there. As a matter of fact, they've got a full range over on their channel, so go check out that website there. There's also links to their Facebook group and their Instagram page so you can see what's new coming out. And the thing I'm going to show you today is very new, so new it's not on the shop at the moment, but it will be available to pre-order, so express your interest with Model Designs if you like what I'm showing. But here's the problem that I've got in the workstation at the moment. Now as you can see, my workstation looks quite tidy at the moment, but it's deceiving because look at the mess of all the tools I've got left next to it. I just plonk them on there and trying to dig through them is an absolute nightmare. The rest of the workshop's quite well laid out, and a lot of this is thanks to modeldesigns.co.uk, who, if you remember, created these paint racks. Well, now they have done a workstation for us. And this is what it looks like. Now I've unpacked it, everything at the moment. We don't need these plastic boxes at the moment, but it does come with these plastic boxes, and it's all ready to assemble. The only things to really mention while I'm assembling, because I am going to do this as like a quick build so you can see what I'm doing. You have got two kinds of shells you can have for the first box at the back. You can have these two here, which have got larger holes in the top and the bottom, or probably the one I'm going to fit is this one here, which have got the smaller holes, so you can actually put your screwdrivers and stuff in there and they're going to sit perfectly straight on there. But it does mean that everything's going to be in one place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to build it, show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you some close-up of all the good features and the benefits of getting one of these. The first thing I'm going to do though, one of my favourite jobs, is pull off the plastic. Oh, that feels so good. You know what, Model Designs, I'd love to come there and just peel plastic off of acrylic. That'd be me done. That's just so soothing. These are actually pieced together with brackets and screws. They all come supplied as with these boxes here. So without further ado, let's get building. And there you go, that's all the back section done. Now all this does is slot into this section just at the back here, just like that. Now these are the shelves that I aren't using, but you can use those shelves as well if you wanted to. Now we've got the little boxes, these come in, these fit in these trays here, and look how perfectly they fit in there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I've got the other one upstairs because I've got something else to show you after this. 6, and you're going to see what that is as well, which is just a prototype at the moment, but you're going to see how cool that looks when I bring that down after we've shown this off. So I'm going to put this to one side. It did come with a cutting mat, which I've got here, which fits perfectly in there like that. And I push that back. That looks absolutely brilliant. So what I'm going to do is put some of my tools in there and show you how this looks. So I've just taken some choice tools just to show you what that looks like when it's all in place there. Now you could put whatever you want in here. At the moment I've put screwdrivers in this side, put my paintbrushes and pliers and sprue cutters in here. In here you could put all your screws, washers, anything that you need to get hold of quickly. You've got this section of it here, which are just little shelves. You put whatever you want. I'll put my little pin vise on there and my sanding block. Obviously this is the cutting mat here. The pièce de résistance of this is this here. We've got the Model Designs logo here, but either side of this is a magnetic strip. So there's going to be no seeing magnets rolling to the carpet monster if you ping them off in your direction. But I'm sure you'll agree, that looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Absolutely brilliant. So keep an eye on Model Designs. Again, I put the link down there and you'll be able to get hold of this yourself. But that's not it. I've got a prototype to show you. Okay, now this is in prototype, but this is brilliant to complement the workstation we've got here. I'm going to take the plastic off of it, but this is a jig that we can use for our wooden ships and some of our 1/8 scale cars. So what we're going to do is get this built, and I'll show you what this looks like. This, as I do stress, is in prototype at the moment. It may be liable to change, but well, wait till you see how it looks. And there you go. Check that out. Put the victory on there at the moment. I mean, the possibilities are endless. I mean, you've got these which are adjustable. So you can put them between the ribs where you want them on the ship that you're building. Theoretically, I reckon you could probably make a jig on that so you could put a car on top of it as well. But as I said, this is just in the prototype stage at the moment. And it's looking absolutely brilliant, isn't it? Absolutely brilliant. Once again, as I said, I've just moved these at the moment so that they're actually just holding onto the rib here. And it means that this is now at eye level for me. So when I'm sanding and all of that, I can actually see, look, there's one of my gun ports I've done already. Absolutely brilliant. It's also made to fit either side of the workstation we just created there, which is brilliant as well. But there you go. That's the company. Give them some love. Go over there, check them out, check what they've got. And obviously, if you want to let them know that you want to pre-order, then please do. But this is absolutely brilliant. It's going to make my life a whole lot easier in the workshop here. So there you go. I really do hope you liked that presentation to show you what's coming from Model Designs. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.